Well, I thought I'd post a video about how to build your own Amazon Echo Dot type device using a Raspberry Pi. My previous one, the I don't know, CPU or the audio board seems to have died. Actually, I think it overheated and the DAC board actually died, but we'll check that later. So what I did was I took another Pi. This is a Pi 3 B+, so your sort of minimal Pi. The onboard speaker jack generally sucks on there. It won't even drive headphones, so I have it connected over to a small amp. I think this is like 15 or 20 watt Marshall Bluetooth. It's actually coming in line in, not Bluetooth here, so it's direct over. That's running the AVS Amazon Voice Services software built on there. And you can see AVS is one of those top procs running on there in the background. CPU usage overall, it's running. So the sample app is actually taking some stuff up in memory. I added some swap to this machine because it seems to need more swap than usual. I need to make that sticky and permanent. The 100 meg is just not enough swap for this. But let's start here. Let's just say, Alexa, what time is it?
It's 12:39 p.m.
Turn the volume up a little. There is just a $5 little USB mic in there. The other USB dongle is for the keyboard and mouse, but that's just a very low-cost USB microphone in there. And Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:39 p.m.
So let's go over here and we can watch. It's actually running in real time here on this screen. That's the log file. Alexa, what time is it? Of course, now it didn't work. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:40 p.m.
Yeah, there's some intermittent failures here and there, but overall, it's generally working. I'll watch the CPU when I ask something like that. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 12:40 p.m.
So the 4 cores on there, it uses probably 20%, so you can actually still use this Pi for other stuff. Let's try some automation. Alexa, turn basement lights off.
Okay.
Yeah, away we go. Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Right now, it's 4 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 0 degrees.
So what's interesting is the CPU in this is binary compatible with a Pi Zero W. So ultimately, I think you could take this. You probably want to compile it on a Pi 4 or something, just so you wouldn't have to compile on a Pi Zero W. But in theory, with a small sound card, with a built-in speaker on a Zero W and a USB mic, or one of those little hats that has a built-in microphone, you could build yourself an Amazon an Alexa Echo for probably $15, maybe even less. Anyways, that's how it works. One of these days I'll post a blog post about it, but it's all over the internet how to do this. See you.